This is my second video. I already added the glue, and I'm gonna add some paint. So, I got some with me. There we go. Second one. I added 2 earlier. Okay, so I'm gonna add some shade remover. Just leave it fall. Okay. Put it down. Oh. I'll try to find like some other stuff so I could do, because like right now we're like in the house, we can't go anywhere because of the corona. It's not here right now, but like still. I like this. Okay, so I'm going to add this, and yeah. There you go. I should have shifted before. There was something popped up. Like so quiet. I'm so happy because like I want There's a window back here, so I hear the wind and all that. Okay, so I'm gonna add some baking soda. Oh, wrong one. Hold on. This is actually slime. You can see my Polaroid right there and my little whiteboard. Ooh, my brother. Okay. I might do like painting videos too, like okay, now contact. Should I add the beads first? No, I need to wait. Now I show you like how my apartment looks like around it. I'm in my room. I'm gonna get messy. should get one like. So I am using my hands now. One. Okay, so I showed you my front. I am going to add foam beads. I'll put them in here. I have more. Well, okay. Let me go back. Okay. Oh, this is what I like to do. Like grabbing, pinch, down, pinch, down, and then each side. I should just do this. So, doing this. Just don't want the beads to go everywhere. Okay, so I think I'll add a little bit more because it doesn't look that much. You know what I should do? An ASMR video. Okay. When like everybody's asleep and it's like the dark time. So I always go to sleep at like 2 in the morning. Right now it's like, hold on, let's see my phone. It is 4:37 something. Hold on. I said hi. Hi. I should call my best friend. Calling her. She will answer, I guess. So this is how it looks like. I like it. Like videos calling. Okay. No, she will answer, but if she won't, then I'll call my other friend. Yeah, she's not calling. I'm gonna call my other friend, Chloe. Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
My head's red.
Your whole hair?
What?
Your whole hair?
Yeah.
I'm making a YouTube channel video. Wanna be in it?
Yeah. My head's red.
Ooh, my phone. I'm like saying like at like 2 in the morning or something like that. I might make an ASMR video instead. Does it burn?
It does, but it's supposed to otherwise. My sister.
Okay. So I am done.
He's done.
What?
What are you doing?
I made slime.
Oh, is this what you pretend to be a video?
What?
Is there a slime video before?
Yeah, something like that.
That's good.
So I'm going to say bye. Say bye.
What?
Say bye.
Bye. What's happening? Are you done with it?
Yeah, I'm done with it.
Oh, bye.
Hold on, let me show them your account on TikTok.
Yay. How you?
What?
How many followers do you have?
On TikTok?
No, you have like 120 on TikTok or something.
No, 518.
I have
518.
Oh, you had 519 a few minutes ago.
I didn't see.
Well, somebody's being a butt chase. So they can be a butt face in Lala.
Okay, I found you. So this is hers.
Why is a random person your profile picture?
Because there's like this video I said. Whoever comments the most. be my profile picture?
Say hi. I don't want to say hi. No.
Yeah.
Ooh. Hey. No.
Oh, he looks like that movie. It's like this movie about monkeys. I don't know. So this is my YouTube channel. Not my YouTube. This is my TikTok.
Say hi to Linda. Say hi to Linda. Linda, hurry. This could be nice.
Hi.
Say hi to Linda. Say to her. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Say bye.
Say bye. You.
Say bye. Say follow me. Say follow me. Like the video. Okay, you're good. That's all.
Okay, so this is
I
mine.
better follow you.
If it doesn't even work. Why is it not working? Focus, focus. There we go. Zoom in. There we go. Okay, so that one's mine. Yeah, and I have another friend named Sweet Hannah. So this is her. She has 529 followers, and Chloe has, let's see, 630 something, I think.
I think it's like 36.
For a second, I thought it was me. Okay. I cannot find you. I do not know why I cannot find you. I don't know, but yeah. So, bye.
Bye.
So, thank you for watching. I just hung mute myself on me.
You guys are done?
No.
Oh my God.
So, thank you for watching, and like, share, comment, I don't care. Follow me. So, yeah, bye.